तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे.
So again welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Some students asked me in the class, we are still not able to understand IO-Multiplexing program, and that is like the simple program which I have written 4 to 5 lines. I have not understand why this course I will be written. So again I want to make this simple course. So you just check. I today will display only that simple code. Okay. So you all watch this. So suppose you write as gedit. Suppose iom.c. Okay. So here I will write hash include. Okay. So what do you write? Hash include sys. Okay. Socket. Socket.c. Okay. Socket.h. Okay. Then hash. Okay. Hash include then sys times.h. Times.h. Okay. Then hash include. Okay. Suppose unistd. Unistd dot h. Okay. Then hash include. Okay. What is right here? Now you write hash include. Okay. stdio dot h. Okay. This database I have written int main. So here in our program we can find 2-3 types of FD. First, as suppose here I will written first FD is what? Has define. To see and you watch my program. I think this program will be clear your doubts in IO multiplexing. Hash include, hash define. Suppose I will write client FD. Okay. Client FD. Okay. Here write accept. Okay. Client FD accept. Suppose here I have written okay, this line I will here written as define. Okay, server FD. Server FD is server FD. What is the return value? I will write socket. Okay, so here write what na AF underscore inet. Then suppose sub stream. Okay, sock stream. Then IP proto underscore TCP. Okay, this is my socket program. Okay. Then hash client FD. What is the client FD? So here write okay server FD. Okay, server FD. So I'll be this simple as okay server FD. Then suppose struct sockDDR underscore sockDDR. Okay. Then pointer here I suppose ampersand client. Okay. Then here write suppose ampersand size. This two line what I have written, you know, it is written for the server FD server side. It is written the client FD from the server side. Okay. So accept function returns the one FD that is called client FD. It is used to communicate with the client. Okay. So another IFD I have defined. Okay. So this is called keyboard FD. Keyboard FD. Suppose this is I have declared the 0. 0 means your standard input, 1 means output, 2 means error, and 3 means your socket. Okay, and 4 means which is written from the accept. I have written just like that, but to clear out your doubts. Okay, so in this program I am not going to connect with any server or any client. So these two are not needed to me. Okay, so I am only want to receive the data from keyboard. So I want to use this FD as user defined. Okay, whenever this keyword I will be used, what is the value given? 0. Okay, so what is the value given? 0. That means, okay, I tell you what is the value of this. It is the value of this is what? 4. Okay, you can write also 4. 4 means this is the value of, okay, this server. Sorry, this is the value of, okay, 3. I told you 0 means keyboard input, 1 means keyboard monitor output, second 2 is the error, okay, and 3 is this is the socket. So whenever create a socket, it will be the 3. So what is the value of this function? Is a 3 and hash defined. Okay, hash defined client FD. You know what is the value this function retains? 4. So here I have written the 4. Okay, this is server FD. Okay, this is the server FD. Okay, so it is the return the 4. Okay, so I think you are perfect. Understand why I have written. Okay, what is the function? This function returns. Sorry, this function returns the 3. Okay, socket returns the 3 and accept returns the 4. Okay, 0 means your keyboard input, 1 means output, 2 means error, 3 means, okay, then socket file, socket number, socket creation number. Okay, so neither I am using client, so it does not need, and it is also not need because I am not created the server. So these two I do not want to write in my program, so I will be make this comment. Okay, I have told you 0 means keyboard input, so here I have taken the 0. 0 means program will be understand. Okay, 0 FD means program will understand that you are using, okay, to take the input from the keyboard. So instead of here stdin means what? It is a macro type. That means it will be denoted me that keyboard input. But you are in doubt why you have written stdin, why not written anything, any word. So here I have written keyboard. Okay, keyboard FD. Okay, so this is called 0. Okay, so now what I will do here, I will be declare. Okay, so struct. Okay, struct time val. Okay, tv I have declared. Then tv underscore second is equal to suppose 2. Okay, then tv underscore u second is equal to suppose 2 millisecond. Okay, so now, okay, so here I have declared the one FD set. Now you follow to my videos which I have created for beginners. So I have created one FD set. Okay, FD set. So what is that name? FD, read FD. That means all readable FD which can read the data from the client side. We are using the data from the client side, that is the read. So we are using one FD set. That FD set hold number of FDs that will be created from the client side. So FD set, read FD, and here we will write the write FD. Okay, and another is exception FD. Okay, exception FD. So these two things we are not using in the program, so I will remove this, only use the read FD. Okay, this is the FD set is created, and this FD set holds number of client FDs which are data available, can read the server from that client. Okay, so now suppose okay. So now what we'll do here, now read FD set is declared. So this is keyboard FD means what? Whenever data comes from the server's client side, A4 is able to read. Whenever data will come from the server's client side 4 is able to read. Whenever socket return the value, 3 will be able to read the data. Okay, but here I am using 0. 0 means whenever we are going to use the scanf function, this 0 FD will be read that scanf value. Okay, that keyboard macro is used to read that value from the keyboard, which is assigned as a 0. Okay, will be always assigned as 0, but keyboard FD you can take any variable. Okay, so now what we'll do here, I don't want server FD, client FD. So first I'll be okay, this read FD set I'll be make this read FD set means what? It is one house. Okay, it is one room. So it is a one room, that is called, it is a one room, and it is a partition. Okay, it is a partition. Okay, this is a partition. So what we'll do here, so here you can store 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. So these FDs are created from client side. Okay, so this is read FD set will hold these number of FDs, and this FD will be start from 4. Okay, it will start from 4. Okay, so we have written 4. So so this number of FDs will be created for this. But here I am not using client server program, so this FD set only hold the keyboard FD 0. So here I have written okay only 0. Okay, so now I'll be, but initially first this read FD set initialize to 0, so that all bits will be assigned to 0, so that whether further I can store my own FD, keyboard FD. So what we'll do here, we'll be write here okay FD, these macros are there, FD underscore set. Okay, first we'll make the FD 0, FD underscore 0. Okay, you'll be write ampersand okay read FD. Okay, so it will be 0. Okay, FD underscore 0, that means all that means cell of the okay read FD set, it will be 0. Okay, so it will be 0, again it will be 0, again it will be 0, again it will be 0. Okay, that means all bits will be 0. Okay, so this is FD underscore 0. Then next time what will do, I'll be add okay this keyboard FD to the this FD set. So what will write here program, I'll be write FD underscore set. Okay, FD underscore set. What will write here, okay I'll be write keyboard FD okay keyboard FD okay and ampersand read FD set. Okay, so it will be added this okay FD set keyboard FD okay ampersand read FD. Okay, so now I will be use the select function to check whether this FD has data available or it has not available. So to check this, I will be use the select function. I will be write the return. Okay, return is equal to what to write here. Now select. Okay, select. I will be write. Here we write the maximum FD. I don't know how many number of FD are used, so you can write here FD set size. Okay, so second parameter is what? The number of read FD set we have to pass. How many number of read FD sets are there? I don't know. I will be pass this variable read FD. Okay, and these are write FD I am not going to use, so it will be null and it will also null. Okay, and it is and time value I will write it TB. TB means what? Net after 2 and 2 millisecond, 2 second, 2 millisecond. Okay, this will be executed. Okay, so here what write, if return is equal to -1. That means if select will be error, then it will return -1. So here you can write, okay, select error /n, okay, bracket close. If RAT equals to 0. 0 means what? If no FD are ready to read the data, if server is not able to read the data from client side, okay, within the span of 2 millisecond, 2.2 seconds, okay, so it will be returned this will be 0. So here you can write, okay, printf, that means no FD is there, so you can write timeout occur, okay, so give the /n, okay, so here I will remove the bracket, don't write remove, okay, else, okay, will be write else, okay, else what to write, now will be checked, okay, if FD is set, okay, then is the data from the keyboard, so it will write keyboard FD, okay, ampersand read FD, okay, so this function returns the true if their data is available from the keyboard. So when this is true, if you input the value in the server, in the keyboard, or input a value to the keyboard, %s, okay, will write suppose str. I have not declared the str, so here you will be declare the str, char str, okay, 20, okay, so it will be, if you given the value, then it will be true, okay, so it will be execute. If you given the value, then it will return the true. So here write the printf, okay, string is you don't write the string, okay, the string is, so here you don't write the string, you will write the char, okay, char, okay, so you will write, okay, scanf %c, okay, you will write the ch, okay, then you write character is pressed, %c is pressed from keyboard, okay, so /n, then you will be write the ch, okay, then close and bracket will be closed, okay, then else part will be closed, then main function will be closed, then I'll save this, okay, then close this, okay, then I'll compile, you just see, okay, I want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it, if you already subscribed, then comment, like and share, okay, so I have not given the comment line, this is my fault, so I'll be this comment line, I'll be remove this comment line, and to tell you, this is the, okay, FD set, so in this line, what will we do, each bit I have told contains the 0, so now if you write FD set, then keyboard FD, okay, FD will be added here, then rest part will be 0 there, okay, so I'll be remove this, okay, then I'll save, then I'll compile, okay, and I'll compile just see, okay, so warning, unless it declares enable, %ch is not given, so he will be write the %ch, okay, so I'll be close, okay, ch is undeclared, I have not declared, oh sorry, I mistake ch, time val spelling is mistake, so here write time val, okay, time val, okay, so okay, successful ./8.out. I am not giving the input, in 2 seconds, 2 minutes it will display timeout, okay, if you have T, then it will be a T replaced from keyboard, if you will not given any input, then timeout occur within 2.2 milliseconds, okay, so return G, then T, okay, This is the IO-Multiplexing. I think you have understand. If you understand, then subscribe. If you already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye. Thank you.